Good morning, class 9. This is computer class. In my last video, I explained you about the programming constructs. And I explained you that there are three types of programming constructs available in Java. First one is sequence construct. Second is selection construct. And third one is iteration construct. So in this chapter, we have to learn about the selection statements. So I told you there are two types of selection statements. First is if statement, second is switch statement. If statement is also divided into three parts. If, next one is if else, and third is nested if. So last time I explained you this program in which we were comparing two numbers, and this is by using if statement. Here we will take two variables to input two numbers, and I was given the condition here by using if statement that if n1 is greater than n2, then we will print first number is larger. So I told you that here if n1 is greater than n2, then which statement will execute, that is given. But if this statement will false, nothing is given, nothing is mentioned that what we have to print or which statement the compiler will execute. So for the solution of this problem, we will use the if else statements. Okay, this is only if statement. Here only true statements are given. If the condition will true, then which statement will execute, that is given. But if the condition is false, then what happen, which statement will execute, nothing is given. So now I will explain you next program by using if else. Okay, so the same question here also, we are comparing two numbers. So for that, first of all, we will import the scanner class so that we can input the numbers in the variables n1 and n2. Then we will create the object scanner sc. This is the sc object for the scanner class. Then we will give the user messages, enter first number, enter second number, and we will input the numbers. We will store the numbers in the variables n1 and n2. Now by using if condition, we will, by using if statement, we will give first condition n1 is greater than n2. If n1 is greater than n2, then which statement will execute, that we will write in this block, in this curly braces. It will print first number is larger. But if this condition is not true, it will not be valid, it will be false, then what it will do, it will move to else part. If condition is not true, then it will move to else statement, and that is system.out.println second number is larger. Okay, so if first number is not larger, then what happened, second number is larger. If means n1 is not greater than n2, means n2 is greater, so means second number is larger. Okay, so now we can execute this problem. Here I will execute through main. Okay, so I will give here two numbers. Here you can see that first number is 8. Okay, and second number is 4. So you can see here first number is 8, second number is 4. Which one is larger? First number is larger. So it is giving message first number is larger. Then if I will give, again I am running the same program. Okay, but this time I will give just opposite. First number is 4. Okay, and second number is 8. Here n1 is not greater than n2. Okay, n1 is not greater than n2. It means condition is false. So it will move to else part and it will give the answer it will print the message second number is larger. Okay, this output is according to if statement, this message is according to else. So this is the solution. If condition is false, then we can execute the else part. Now the same question we can do, we have one more option, if else. What we will do here, also we will compare two numbers. So in last two programs, what we have done, it can be possible that first number is larger, or it may be possible that second number is larger. But there can be one more possibility that both numbers are equal. So how we will write it? How we will explain this? So here the same process, we will take the two variables in which we will give the input for first number and for second number. Now we will compare these two numbers by using if statement. If n1 is greater than n2, then we will print first number is larger. Else if means, what is the else if? Else if we are using to give the next condition. If condition, first of all it will check the if condition. If this condition will not be valid, then it will move to else if. In else if also we will give the next condition, but else if direct we cannot use. Else if only we are using after the after the implementation of if statement. If and then next condition we can check by using else if. This one you should remember, if and then else if. Direct we cannot use else if statement. So else if we can give here next condition. Okay, if first condition is direct true, then it will print this message. But if this condition is not true, then it will check the next condition. It will move to else if part. Else if n2 is greater than n1, then if this condition is true, it will print second number is larger. Suppose that if condition is also false and else if condition is also false, then if these both conditions are false, both testing are false, then it will move to else part, and it will print both numbers are equal. First number is not larger, second is not larger, it means obviously both numbers are equal. So this one also I will run and I will show you. If else. Okay, whatever part is left, what options are left, that we are writing in the else part. Okay, suppose that I am giving first number is 5, second number is also 5. Here you can see that 5 is not greater than 5, means n1 is not greater than n2, n2 is also not greater than n1. So it will print both numbers are equal. It means it will move to else part. Here if part is wrong, else if part is also wrong. It means it will print the else statement, that is both numbers are equal. Okay, so till now we have seen if statement, if else statement, if else statement. So same program we can do only by using if and only if. Means all the conditions we can give only by using if condition, if statement. How? We can write if n1 is greater than n2. First time we can give the condition. Second time we can again check by using only if statement. If n2 is greater than n1. Third time for equality also we can give if n1 is equals to n2. So such type of statements we can write only by using if. Here there is no else if, no else. All the conditions we can give by using if statements. Okay. So in this program, again, we will take two variables, n1 and n2. In these two variables, we will input both the numbers n1 and n2. Then we will check how we will test this by using if statement. If n1 is greater than n2, then we will print first number is larger. If n2 is greater than n1, again I am not writing here else if or else. Again I am checking only by using if statement. Again I am checking if n1 is not greater than, then you check is n2 is greater than n1, then you print second number is larger. If n1 is not greater than n2, n2 is not greater than n1, both conditions are not valid, then again I will check the third condition. If n1 is greater than n2, here you can see here that I used here which operator? Equality operator, when we can change to when we can check the equality of two numbers. N1 is greater than N2. Is this correct? Then you print both numbers are equal. So all the conditions I have given here only by using if statement. Now I will execute if and only if. Okay, so first number, suppose that 7. Second number is 8. Here what is which condition is true? N2 is greater than N1. N1 is 7, N2 is 8. So which condition is true? N2 is greater than N1. So second number is larger. Okay. If same program I will run, in which I will give the different values. Here I will give first number is 10. Second number is also 10. So what it will print, both numbers are equal. Here n1 is equals to n2. So it will print both numbers are equal. Okay. Now we will see, it means these all four programs I have done by using different ways. First, by using only if statement where there is no else part. In this program I used if and else. Here I used if and else, and here I was given all the conditions by using only if. Next I will explain you one program by using if else. This is the question whether a given number is odd or even. So what I will do, first of all I will import the util package, then I will take one variable num. Why we will take one variable num? Because in this num variable I will input the number which I have to check whether it is uh, odd or even. So how can we check? Simple. When we will divide that number by 2, and if the remainder will be 0, it means that number is even number, and if remainder is not 0, it means the number is odd. So same I have done here. First of all, I will import Java scanner class. Then I will create the object. Then input through this object sc, and num is equals to sc dot next int because it is of integer type variable. Then here I will give the condition if num modulus, because we want the remainder. So I used here which operator? Modulus. Modulus operator will give here remainder. Now modulus 2 equals to 0, then it will print num is even number. Okay, if we will divide any number by 2 and remainder is 0, it means it is a even number. And if this condition is not true, it means remainder is not 0, then it will be given by the else part. In else part, what we will write? Num is an odd number. Means which number we will input, that number is even or odd. In else part, remember that we never give that uh, condition. In if or in else if, we can give the condition. Now I will execute it. Odd or even. Okay, so now I will give the number here. Which number? Suppose that I'm giving here 7. 7 is an odd number. Will make you clear. Again I will run. Will close so that you can see properly. Okay. Here I will input one more number. For example, I am putting here number 19. 19. Okay, so 19 is an odd number. You know that when we will divide 19 by 0, sorry, 19 by 2, remainder will not be 0. Next time I will give other number. Okay, first time I was given 90 and this time I am giving 22. So 22 is an even number. When we will divide 22 by 2, remainder will be 0. So it is the even number. Okay, next day we will discuss some more programs like whether the given year is leap year or not. Then we will test the by the help of given size the triangle is possible or not. Such type of programs we will do, and also we will discuss one program by using nested if. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.